Hi guys, let's make some potato wedges. This recipe is so easy and it can be made in an oven or in an air fryer. Start by cutting 4 large russet potatoes lengthways. We're going to keep the skin on. Now soak them in cold water for 20 minutes to remove any excess starch. Drain the water and lay the potatoes on 2 pieces of kitchen towel. Then we're just going to pat the potatoes and dab them dry with a kitchen towel. The trick with potato wedges is to remove as much starch and water from them as possible so that we get crispy outsides and fluffy centres. Place the potatoes in a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1½ teaspoons of salt, ½ teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and ½ teaspoon of oregano. Just give that a good mix and set it aside. I chose to do my potato wedges in the air fryer, but you can also put them in the oven. I don't recommend deep frying them because otherwise the spices fall off or they end up burning in the oil. Bake the wedges at 170 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Halfway through, just flip them over and remove the tin foil. After baking, they will look something like this. And there you have it guys, a really simple recipe for potato wedges. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!